Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best coffee makers that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 1. Tired of coffee makers that brew too hot, too bitter, or too slow? Many machines promise cafe quality coffee, but end up delivering inconsistent flavor and lukewarm results. Cheap plastic builds, poor temperature control, and weak extraction can ruin even premium beans. If you're serious about your morning coffee and want reliable, barista-level performance at home, you need a brewer that focuses on precision, consistency, and quality. Meet the Technivorm KBT Coffee Brewer, a premium 40-ounce drip coffee maker in a sleek stone gray finish, built for precision brewing and exceptional taste. This coffee brewer features a 40-ounce capacity, perfect for brewing up to 10 cups of coffee. It uses a manual drip-stop brew basket, allowing you to control flow rate for customized extraction. The copper heating element maintains optimal brewing temperature between 196 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring perfect flavor. A stainless steel thermal carafe keeps coffee hot without a hot plate, preserving taste longer. The brewer completes a full pot in about 5 to 6 minutes, making it both fast and efficient. It's also built with durable metal housing, handcrafted design, and quiet operation. Plus, the simple manual controls keep brewing straightforward and reliable. Pros: excellent temperature stability, fast brewing time, durable handmade construction, thermal carafe keeps coffee fresh, quiet and simple operation. Cons: premium price point, no programmable timer, manual drip stop requires attention. This coffee maker is perfect for coffee enthusiasts, home baristas, and anyone who values flavor over fancy features. It's ideal for small families, offices, or daily premium coffee drinkers. If you want reliable, consistent brewing without complicated settings, this is a great choice. Priced around $330.75, the Technivorm KBT sits in the premium category. But with its handcrafted quality, long lifespan, and consistently excellent coffee, it offers strong long-term value for serious coffee lovers. Number 2. Meet the Ratio 6 Series 2 coffee machine, a beautifully designed automatic drip coffee maker with a 1.25 L capacity that brews 2 to 8 cups of rich, cafe-quality coffee in a sleek matte black finish. The Ratio 6 Series 2 features a 1.25 L/40-ounce capacity, perfect for brewing 2 to 8 cups at once. It uses a precision brewing system that automatically mimics pour-over style coffee. The bloom cycle pre-wets grounds for better extraction and fuller flavor. A wide shower head evenly saturates coffee grounds for consistent brewing. The powerful heating element maintains optimal brewing temperature for balanced taste. It includes a borosilicate glass carafe with heat shield to keep coffee warm. The one-button operation makes brewing simple and beginner-friendly. Premium metal body with matte black finish gives it a modern, minimalist look. Plus, the quiet brewing process makes it ideal for early mornings. Pros: excellent pour-over style flavor, beautiful minimalist design, one-button easy operation, even extraction with bloom cycle, quiet and consistent brewing. Cons: no programmable timer, premium price, no built-in grinder. This coffee maker is perfect for coffee lovers, minimalist kitchen setups, and pour-over fans who want automation. It's ideal for small families, offices, or anyone who wants specialty coffee without manual brewing. Great for users who prioritize design, simplicity, and flavor. At around $359, the Ratio 6 Series 2 is a premium coffee maker. But its high-end build, pour-over quality brewing, and long-lasting construction make it a strong value for serious coffee enthusiasts. Number 3. Meet the Ninja 12-Cup Programmable Coffee Brewer, a versatile and affordable drip coffee maker with 2 brew styles, a large 60-ounce water reservoir, and convenient delay brew functionality. This coffee maker features a 12-cup brewing capacity, perfect for families or office use. It offers 2 brew styles, classic and rich, letting you choose your preferred flavor strength. The programmable delay brew allows you to set coffee up to 24 hours in advance. A 60-ounce removable water reservoir makes refilling quick and easy. The adjustable warming plate keeps coffee hot for longer without burning. It includes a mid-brew pause, so you can pour a cup before brewing finishes. The simple digital control panel makes operation easy and user-friendly. Its compact stainless steel design fits well in most kitchens. Plus, the permanent filter compatibility helps reduce paper filter waste. Pros: affordable price, large 12-cup capacity, programmable delay brew, removable water tank, 2 brew strength options. Cons: plastic heavy build, no thermal carafe, not specialty coffee level extraction. This coffee maker is ideal for daily home users, families, and office environments. It's perfect for people who want simple programmable brewing without spending too much. Great for users who need large capacity and convenience. Priced around $89.99, the Ninja 12-cup programmable coffee brewer delivers excellent value. With programmable features, large capacity, and reliable performance, it's a strong budget-friendly option for everyday coffee drinkers. Number 4. Meet the Breville BDC 450 BSS Precision Brewer, a premium 60-ounce drip coffee maker with a thermal carafe, advanced brewing control, and brushed stainless steel design. The Precision Brewer features a 60-ounce capacity, ideal for brewing up to 12 cups. It offers multiple brew modes including gold, fast, strong, iced, cold brew, and custom. The programmable auto start lets you wake up to fresh coffee. A precision temperature control system ensures optimal extraction every time. The thermal carafe keeps coffee hot without a warming plate. It includes adjustable bloom time and flow rate for customized brewing. The flat bottom and cone filter compatibility gives you flexibility. A large digital display makes controls easy to navigate. Plus, the pour-over adapter compatibility allows manual-style brewing. Pros: extremely customizable brewing options, excellent temperature accuracy, thermal carafe preserves flavor, multiple brew modes including iced and cold brew, premium stainless steel build. Cons: higher price, slightly complex controls for beginners, takes counter space. This coffee maker is perfect for coffee enthusiasts, home baristas, and users who want full brewing control. Ideal for households that enjoy different coffee styles like iced, strong, or specialty brews. Great for those upgrading from basic drip machines. At around $337.38, the Breville Precision Brewer is a premium option. But with its advanced customization, thermal carafe, and specialty-level performance, it offers excellent value for serious coffee lovers. Number 5. Meet the Secura 34 ounces stainless steel French press, a durable double-wall insulated coffee press made from 304-grade stainless steel, designed for rich and full-bodied coffee. This French press features a 34 ounces/1 liter capacity, perfect for 3 to 4 cups of coffee. It's made from 304 food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and rust resistance. The double-wall insulation keeps coffee hot longer than glass French presses. It includes 3-layer stainless steel filter system for smooth, grit-free coffee. You also get 2 extra replacement screens, extending product lifespan. The cool-touch handle and knob provide safe, comfortable pouring. Its solid metal construction prevents cracking or breaking. The easy disassembly design makes cleaning simple. Plus, the bold blue finish adds a stylish look to your kitchen. Pros: durable stainless steel build, keeps coffee hot longer, includes extra filter screens, no blast to break, rich full-bodied coffee flavor. Cons: hand wash recommended, slightly heavier than glass models. No measurement markings inside. This French press is ideal for coffee lovers, campers, travelers, and home users who want strong, rich coffee. Perfect for people who prefer manual brewing and need a durable, non-glass design. Great for small households or personal use. Priced around $44.77, the Secura French press offers excellent value. With stainless steel construction, insulation, and extra filters included, it's a budget-friendly upgrade over traditional glass presses. If you want rich, full-bodied coffee with a durable design, this is a great choice. Check the link in the description for the latest price. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coffee gear reviews.